cubes. 40 cubes to go. Well, 30 Disney. Okay. Page 1 or page 2?
2.
No more page 3.
Row 2.
Row 2?
Cube 2.
2, 2, 2?
2, 2, 2.
You like that, 2, 2, 2.
Yeah, or 1, 1, 1.
That would be Star Wars this time. All right. 2, 2, 2. So, before we go over there. Yeah. Rare Pluto, Mickey Mini Legendary, and the Grails. Okay. We know the drill.
Mm-hmm.
If we get something new, we're going to keep going. Keep going.
This video will go on forever.
That would be great. Will we be so lucky?
Do we have him?
Rare Pluto? We
No.
do not. Yeah!
Oh, we don't.
Let's fill this in.
So we're
Boom. Rares.
We're
All the
going
rares.
again.
We're going again. All right. Look at him. He's so cute. The rares are cool. They're not my favorite of the bunch.
Yeah.
But they are cool. And I love that we filled this in now. Okay. So we need legendary mice.
Yeah.
And we need all the
Legendary
grails.
mice. Yeah.
Yep. Because we have a legendary doggy.
Yeah, so now we only need mice.
All right, bud. Good job. 222 worked. What are we doing this time?
2. 2.
Mm-hmm.
2. It worked last time. It'll work again.
I don't know.
I don't know.
What are you hugging the head for? We're not there yet. All right. Let's see if Daddy has the touch this time.
Well, I had the touch.
Okay.
Will you take the touch away? Because only one person can have the touch.
Is that how it works?
Yep, only one person. Will he have this talent?
Come on, baby. Oh, no. We have a bunch of these guys.
Yeah.
It's pretty amazing how many of these that we have. There's 2,000 of them, and this is our 4th already.
Our 4th what?
Of him. This legendary Pluto. We have 4 of him. Right? I think so. Look, there's one open. And 1, 2, 3
Right.
closed. Yeah. Look at that.
We got 4 legendaries already.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy, huh? Oh, yeah. Look, and there's the rare Mickey, rare Minnie, rare Pluto. Coming. All 3 of those. And this guy. But we don't have any of the others.
Yeah.
All right. You know what I just noticed? I didn't before. The little, circle at the top. When you, where it hangs from the shelf. Like the little metal rod that it has.
Yeah.
I never noticed that
realized
until
that.
just now. Wait, when you click into it, do you see it? Oh, you know why? It's on a kind of a darker background, so I never noticed it till just now. How cool. Wait a second now. What do the He-Man ones look like? I can't... Oh, right. They have the little cardboard cutout for the Cryptoys.
Oh, but they
ones.
have it.
Yep, and then the He-Man one has this other little punch-out one. And what Star Wars have? Wait, a lot of He-Man. Oh, wait. What Star Wars have?
They don't.
Star Wars doesn't. Oh, interesting. Star Wars doesn't have a little hanging tab. Huh. I wonder, we should ask them, what made you guys decide to do the little hook cutout for ZUFO and this little, this punch out here for Masters of the Universe?
But, look, I would say, I know what. I would ask, you made that, you put the punch out for that they hang from to make it look like a real toy. Mm-hmm. But why didn't you do it for Star Wars?
I wonder if because the way the Star Wars ones, we'll ask Freddie, but I wonder if it's because just the way these are built, with this big disc, if they're meant to kind of stand up on a shelf.
Oh, maybe. Yeah. Or maybe...
Because they're really wide, and you've got that big round piece in the middle, right? So maybe they're meant to stand on the shelf, not hang.
Or maybe they do hang, just...
There's nothing there. No, you know them. They have the details. Look, they went through these are not real toys. They don't really hang, but they went through the effort to make it look like real packaging. So there's always a reason why they do things. But I just wonder, like, why the little hook cutout for ZooFO, why the punch out for Masters of the Universe. Now, going back, let's see something while we have this video going. 1983 He-Man toys packaging. Nah, I knew it. I knew that was going to be the reason why.
That's what they had?
Because the original toys had that same kind of punch out at the top. See it?
Yeah.
That same shape. And ZooFO obviously was never a real toy, so they could make whatever they wanted.
Wait, what? Mickey Mouse toys, they make them just...
Yeah, but not these exact ones, right? So they could be creative however they feel like. And Star Wars, there were toys, but not these toys. However, like, you could buy a real Man-at-Arms in packaging that looked pretty much just like this. See? With the flying stones in the background, right? The lava rocks coming up and all that.
I didn't know they actually put that on.
Yeah.
They actually
And
had.
see what says Masters of the Universe with the name below it. And if we look here, right? Masters of the Universe with the name below it. And like a description, Evil Master of Escape was this guy. And Man-at-Arms, when you click on these, you can't, well, the way the angle is, you got the glare from the plastic packaging, but it does say the description right here. When you open them for the first time, you see it. So, yeah, so these mimic the original packaging. That's why. Very cool.
Yeah, they just don't say on-chain studio.
Well, of course not. Yeah. Right. Or Cryptoys up here.
Oh, but they do say Mattel.
Yeah. Oh, does it?
Yeah. Oh.
Down there on the corners with the Mattel logo. So there you go. They mimic the packaging. Unbelievable. And by the way, look at this. $300 for this guy because he's never been opened. This was bought in 1983.
And he's never been opened.
Yep. 40 years ago, this was made, bought, and it's been in the packaging the whole time. And if you look here, one of the little cool facts, this is not Cryptoys related anymore, but you see at the back there, that little, see where it says like bite his leg there?
Yeah.
They came with like a little booklet. There's a little mini comic.
A comic?
It's like a mini, like a little couple page thing if I remember right. It was like a little mini comic.
Yeah, it looks like a comic on this one.
Yeah.
This one's in This one is also very old, but it's also in better shape.
And this was the original lineup. He-Man and Teela, Stratos, Merman, Man-at-Arms, Zodak, Skeletor, and Beastman.
Skeletor looks awesome.
Yep.
Right there.
That was the original. Cool. All right. Well, we had a little quick tour of He-Man stuff. We had a couple of Mickey cubes open up. And there's our big-headed Man-at-Arms. So, cool. We got one and we got a dupe. I guess tomorrow we will see. We still have a bunch to go.
Wait, did we get a dupe?
Yeah, the Pluto. The neon Pluto.
Oh.
So, all right, everybody. We'll talk to you soon.